Hello friends, my name is Neelam Tarange and today's date is 29th January 2022 and today's video topic is a keyword in a Java. What is keyword? Keyword is a keyword. Keyword is a reserve of words in a Java language. There are 52 reserved keywords used in a Java language. What is reserved keywords? The reserved keywords means that having predefined meaning in a language. Predefined meaning in a language. The keyword are a particular word that act as a key in a code. That's why the programmer cannot use the keyword as a variable, as a method name, as a class name, or any other identifier in our code. Uh, there are 52 keywords used in a Java. Let's see one by one. First one is the abstract keyword. Second one is a boolean. Third one break keyword. Fourth one byte, case, catch, care, class, uh, continue, continue, difficult, do, double, while, else, inu, extend, final, finally, float, for, if, implement, import, interface, instance of, int, long, double, uh, native, new, null, package, private, public, protected, return, short, static, shift, super, switch, throw, throws, transient, try, try, void, volatile, while, etc. These all are the 52 keywords used in a Java. Let's see one by one. First is a break keyword. Break keyword is used to used when our program is executed one line by line, and at a particular position we can return the value at that instance. Then we can use the break keyword and it can be break at that sentence and returns the value as a result. And after that break keyword, the remaining code cannot be executed. That's why we can use the break keyword. The byte, short, long, int, double, these are the data types. These are the data types used in a Java. Second, second class, extents of, abstract. These all are the class. Abstract keyword is used for abstract methods. Abstract methods means the body of the method cannot be given in a code. Only the name can be given. The remaining body can be defined by the user. Defined by the user. Second one is a private, protected, and public. These are the access modifier which can be used to which can be used to identify the accessibility of the class, method, variable, uh, variable variables. Second one is a new keyword, null keyword. Null keyword is used when mm, uh, when uh, when uh, when we can indicate that the given variable is a 0, That's why we can use null keyword. Package keyword is used to create the package. Class keyword is used to create the class. Mm, Keyword used to class. Implement keyword. When um, ex- implement keyword is used to implement the abstract method. Abstract method. Return. Return keyword is used to return at that instance value at the output. That's why we can use the return keyword. Mm, Void. Void is a return type. It cannot returns anything. uh, when we can use the void keyword, when we can use int, short, double, boolean, then at that time we can return the value. These all are the keywords used in a Java. Thank you.